Welcome to episode 3, and in this episode I'm going to try and build as much as I can of the seat stay jig. I have most of the bits available, but these supports here, the front support and the rear supports, I'm going to need to save these as a mesh, or basically an STL, of which my print slicing software can pick up, and then I can slice that so it can be 3D printed. So I'm just saving it as a mesh now, set to STL and high refinement. That's that one saved. I'll do this for each support now, and then we can get it sliced. So I'm at the printer and I'm going to try and print some of the supports for the seat stay jig. Just got to get it ready. So I've cleaned the bed, swapped the material to PET-G, and the bed's preheated, nozzle's preheated, so just need to re-level the bed and then should be okay to start the print off. So we've levelled the bed, everything's preheated, and it's going to start doing its first checks and then start printing. So the print is done, and we're going to take it off here and have a look. Overall, I think the print looks pretty good, a bit stringy because it's PET-G. Looks like it's come off the bed a bit on the corners, so the bottoms aren't fully flat. I think this is because the bed decided to turn off the heat midway through, which I don't know. I'll have to try these out and maybe print them again if it doesn't work. Let's get back in the garage and try and assemble this seat stay jig. See all the parts I've got here. We had to ream most of the dowel holes in these and these clamps because it just wasn't going to fit. The holes are printed too tight, so hopefully it will all fit together. All of these are doweled, bolted in. These are just doweled. These 4 supports, I've been trying to print them, not very successfully. Keep getting warped bottoms here. So I think I've got a couple of issues since I changed the motherboard on my printer, so I'm going to have to reflash the firmware and just try again really, because the printer's still in Chinese. Great. But I've got the bolts and the dowels ready to go as soon as I get them done.